Welcome back to Gears and Gaming. Today we're doing something a little bit different. Rather than gaming, we're going to be doing some automotive content. Today I just received my Corbeau FX1 Wide seats. They're located back here. These are wide seats for bigger guys like me. I'm about 265 to 270 pounds with about a 42 to 44 inch waist. I'm about 6 foot and a hair. So I needed a really big seat for my Integra race car at a reasonable price. Coming in at about $409 with free shipping. This was the most reasonably cost-effective seat I could find. And basically, yeah, I didn't want to spend like $1,000 on a seat. So I went ahead and got this one. It's pretty good looking. Let's go ahead and unbox it and let's see if it fits. All right. Okay. Looks like we got the seat bracket here. I ordered the optional Integra seat brackets for this, just the driver's side. So we'll go ahead and put this aside. Yes. Oh boy. It's stuck in there. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you know you don't want to get out. There you go. Yeah. All right. Whew. Oh Lord. Well, it looks like it's pretty well bubble wrapped here. Go ahead and move this back here so it stays in the frame. As you can see, Corbeau sent it here in a pretty nice bubble wrap and some paper inserts, I guess, to separate it from the bracket. So let's go ahead and open up the bubble wrap and take a look at it. All right. Box out of the way. All right. Okay. Well, that's the seat right there. I'll go ahead and take the camera off the stand here in a second. We'll look at it. Got a removable cushion. That's kind of cool. So I think that goes there. It's got Velcro on the bottom of it. And it looks like, yeah, looks like you can remove the covers so you can wash it. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put it in place. All right. Okay. Let's take a look at this seat here. Remove this off here. So basically, this is the seat here. Pretty nice looking. It's got room for your harnesses. It's a nice wide stance. I like the way it tapers out right over here so you can actually fit in there. And also, I've seen on some seats where these stick in too far and they hit your shoulders. So that's good that those are wider. Now that will possibly be an issue with the car, mainly because how wide the seat is. Right here, I've seen on some cars where this hits the door panel and they either have to notch it or notch this, and I'm not going to notch the seat, so it'll be definitely the door panel. But anyway, let's go ahead and sit in it and see how it goes here. I'm going to do first person here. What up, y'all? It's kind of hot in here. I need to turn the air conditioning on. All right. Whoa. All right, well, I don't have these on the seat brackets yet, but they seem pretty comfortable. Wow, really comfortable, as a matter of fact. I like the way this cushion down here, it basically kind of kicks you back a little bit. That's kind of nice. Now, of course, these seats will be the seats will be tilted back, so it won't be so pushed forward. But so far, I like them. Yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty comfortable. I got room for my shoulders here. I've got pretty broad shoulders, so that could be a serious issue. So, yeah, this is good. This is comfortable. A little hard, but not bad. Yeah, these are real comfortable. I can deal with this. Absolutely. All right, let's take a look at the seat itself. All right, so this is fiberglass back here. It's pretty nice. Black finish. All the covers and cushions and stuff are removable, so you can wash them, cover the pads. So yeah, this is pretty damn nice. So the only issue I'm going to be worrying about is, will these fit in the Integra? Like I said, I've seen them in an EK Civic, and this edge right here just hung above the door sill. So like the door panel was here, the window was here, and it just like fit over that ledge. So hopefully that'll work. Now, the person who had that had the seat brackets. The seat brackets should be probably in boxes here. I mean, you know, you've seen one seat bracket, you've seen them all, but still. Oh yeah, of course I forgot my knife. Just a second. I have brought in a knife. Dun, dun, dun. This looks kind of weird. It's like, yeah. Oh, just kidding. All right, let's unbox this bracket. All right. Of course, I previously opened up the box that had the seat in it, so didn't need to do that. But I hadn't unboxed the bracket. Whatever. All right, let's take a look at this bracket. All right. Trash. All right. Wow, that's a really nice bracket. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, center slider. Oh, it's upside down. That's the ladle bit right there. Yeah, pretty nice bracket. Looks like, is that painted? No, that's powder coated. Nice. Yeah, so this is a pretty nice bracket. And that's going to go underneath the seat over there. Okay. So, yeah, it all looks pretty good. I think the seat bracket was, I don't remember off the top of hand, $120, $150, something like that. So kind of expensive, but it's guaranteed to fit. So anyway, move this box out of the way. This looks like, oh, this is trash. So yeah, there you go. Corbeau seat right here. Bracket. Hopefully everything will fit. And like I said, you know, let me go ahead and let me mount the camera and I'll show you what it looks like when he's sitting in it. Move this bracket out of the way. Ooh. All right, yeah, this isn't bad. As you can see, I've got room for my shoulders. I drive with my hands at the 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, so I'll be straight out and not up. So yeah, perfect. I got plenty of shoulder room, plenty of hip room. Matter of fact, I could be even go to a size 46. So yeah, this works out pretty good. That has been the unboxing of the Corbeau FX1 Wide seat. Hopefully it will help you make an informed decision on whether this is the right seat for you or not, especially if you're a big guy or if you're someone who's looking for just a little bit of extra room. The next video is going to be me at the shop doing a test fit in the Integra with a seat bracket over there to make sure that it clears the door and everything, and hopefully it does. I like the seat. I'd like to keep it. But anyway, with that, I'd like to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm a real small YouTube channel. I'm trying to get up there. I'm below 1,000 subs at the current moment, and I'm trying to make good content. So your support would be greatly appreciated. Subs don't cost you any money. Likes don't cost you any money. You know, comments don't cost you any money. And hopefully you found this video helpful, and I'll see you again in the next video. Peace.